In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a virtual machine inside of Microsoft Azure. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portal.azure.com. And then from here it should bring stuff like this once you get inside of your account. Once from here you'll need to go up to this burger icon, also known as the navigation menu, portal menu. Then from here it should bring stuff like this, where you can see all of your favorites down here. Once from here you'll need to go down to where it says virtual machines. And once you click on that, it should bring something like this where you can see an overview of all of your already existing virtual machines. Now, it is possible that you don't already have one in here, so let's create one. And to do that, you'll need to go over to where you need to click virtual machines over here, and right underneath it, you'll see create. Now you'll have four options where you can either add a virtual machine, which is best for lower traffic workloads. You can add a virtual machine scale set, or VMSS, which is a built-in scaling performance optimization that include multiple VM sizes. You can also make a presence or a hybrid virtual machine. In this tutorial, I'm just going to choose the virtual machine over here, but this will work the exact same way as the other three. From here, you'll need to click on it, and from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the basics and add the subscription and the resource group, where you can choose the group or create a new one if you don't already have one. From here, you can add the virtual machine name, and you can choose a specific name however you see fit, and the region down here. You'll also be able to add available options, the zone options, available zones, security type, images, VM architecture, and run with Azure spot discount. And you click this to get the eviction type and the eviction policy. From here, you can choose the size of the virtual machine, where I can choose the specific CPU for this virtual machine. And you can just click on the specific one that is most suitable for you and go down to enable hibernation. You can add the administration account, all of these other options down here. From here, you'll also be able to add the disk, edit the networking, the management, monitoring, advanced, text, and then lastly, review and create. Now from here, you'll be able to see your entire list of things that you have placed inside of your virtual machine. And then from here, once it gets up here, you'll simply need to click create and then add it into your cloud. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!